Here at Bowden Zone, we're all about keeping things cruisy and laid back, especially during the holidays. That's why we've created the Holiday Therapy Bucket. It's got the new Speedolicious Wash, the Shag-O-Matastic Wash Mitt, some Boss Gloss, and the trusty Big Green Sucker, making it the perfect full system bucket for enjoying some downtime with your beloved ride. Speedolicious Wash makes washing a joy with its ultra lubricating and super sudsy formula. It plays nice even in the sun, has added corrosion inhibitors, and it'll leave your paint looking super shiny. Pair it up with the Shag-O-Matastic Wash Mitt for a deep, soft and safe wash. Its 3-yarn shag pile material will appease even the fussiest car fanatic for a speedy clean every time. After washing and rinsing your ride, it's time to dry with the Big Green Sucker using some Boss Gloss as a drying aid. This will leave your car feeling slick, smooth and streak-free. The Big Green Sucker boasts 1200 GSM of exceptionally soft, water-sucking goodness that will dry your ride in no time. The Holiday Therapy Bucket is a limited time offer found exclusively at your local Autobarn and selected Auto Pro stores. Don't miss out, grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in.